When people announce that they're going to have children, the normal reaction that you get is congratulations. When you announce that you're going to adopt, you can get a slightly different reaction. And when you're a gay couple who announce that you're going to adopt children, you can get a very different reaction.
I think dapat naman na payagan ng government na mag-adopt yung LGBT ng orphan children kasi rights din naman ng bata na magkaroon ng isang pamilya.
Parang kung paano pagmamahal na ibibigay ng totoong parents, parang yung opinion ko is kaya rin naman bigyan ng LGBT yung ganong pagmamahal.
Wala naman silang kakayanan mag-produce, so tsaka iba rin yung feeling kapag may anak ka, di ba?
Now, opinions on gay adoption, they run very, very deep. And it's a complicated mix, I find, of a number of things. There are kind of the idea of upholding family values. There are assumptions about gender roles. There are misunderstandings about actually the process of adoption. And there's a slight level of panic about the idea of putting children into gay lifestyles.
Hindi naman porket LGBT sila na same-sex or na may identity crisis sila or something na yun yung magiging hadlang para magkaroon sila ng tamang pag-aalaga sa bata.
So kung sabihin natin may dalawang nagmamahal na parehas ang kasarian at gusto na ng anak, dapat lang na magkaroon sila ng anak. Tao naman sila, hindi ba?
People believing that gay adoption is just morally wrong. That gay people who want children, they do it because they want some sort of trophy in order to mimic heterosexual lifestyles. That gay people will turn their children gay. And some people even believe that placing children with gay parents is a form of abuse.
Opo, kasi syempre, naghahanap rin tayo ng magtataguyod sa buhay natin pagtanda na natin.
Allowed naman sila, they are allowed to adopt children, especially if they are willing to love.
Syempre, hindi naman nila kaya yun. So, kung gusto naman nila, pwede naman nilang gawin.
May karapatan rin yung LGBT na magkaroon rin ng anak para maging masaya sila.
Sang-ayon ako na lahat ng bata, karapat-dapat magkaroon ng magulang. At lahat ng tao, karapat-dapat magkaroon ng anak sa gusto nila.
Iniwan na nga ng mga legal or biological parents nila yung mga bata. Bakit hindi pa natin payagan na i-adopt siya ng mga LGBT na wala namang pag-asa or walang possibility na magkaroon sila ng mga anak?
We should not assume that families are a certain number or a certain gender of people. Families come in all shapes and sizes. They always have, and they always will. And gay adopters, gay parents, we are just actually one very small part of that mix. We are not as different, and we are certainly not as threatening as the media headlines might have people believe.
I smell heartbreak on my hands. I feel sick to my stomach as I begin to stand. I see your outline in my bed, in the same spot I watched him rest his head.